Thanks for joining us for this guided meditation. Take a moment to get into a comfortable position. Allow yourself to begin to relax. You might notice tension or a sense of calm and ease. And tune your attention into the flow of the breath, just breathing naturally. And then just allowing your focus to settle on where you notice the movement of the breath most clearly. Follow each new breath as if it were your first ever breath. And just noticing where the mind is in this moment. From time to time, your mind will wander off, letting go of the thought, sensation, or feeling that pulled the mind away, before returning your focus back to the natural flow of your breathing. Allow your concentration to rest, and notice whatever comes into your awareness. Now, taking one last deep breath in and out. Slowly bringing your attention back to the room. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. And just maintaining that mindful awareness as you move into the rest of your day.